G'day mates, how you going? Like my little shitty hat has the Australian flag on it. Oh, you should wear one of these when you go suntan. But today, I'm going to teach you how to say Australia in Australian English. Now, in Australian English, we like to shorten our words. We like to take a big, long word and we like to make it into as short as possible, but still sounding similar to that word. So today, we're going to say Australia. In Australia, we say Australia as Australia. Okay, so it actually starts with S, T, R-A-Y-A. So we leave out the A-U-S and we leave out the L-I-A at the end. So Australia. Where you come from, mate? I come from Australia. Yes, we say Australia. We don't say I come from Australia. We say I come from Australia. So that's basically one way you can try and sound like an Australian, or as we say here, as an Australian. Okay, so to break this down, we say stir a yin, Australian. If you can master pronouncing those separate parts of the word or the syllables, you will be able to speak like an Australian. Oh, speak like Australian. So, and also, maybe I'll make this another video sometime. Don't make your tone sing-songer. Don't speak like this, because that is a sing-songy way of speaking. And in Australia, our tone is just, or our pitch is just flat. So, that is how you say Australia in Australian. Have a nice day. Have a bonza weekend.